We have so many new people coming on board all around the country, all over the place that are seeing our shows for the first time. This might be old to some of you, but it's gonna be new to a lot of you. This is our Hush Puppy mix. I've always made Hush Puppies. Jim Doom makes some tremendous Hush Puppies. So we're gonna go, and you gotta have buttermilk, I think.
You do.
So Mrs. Farmer, if you will, explain that to us while I'm watching the fish.
I have a cup of yellow cornmeal, half a cup of self-rising flour, a little over quarter cup of onion, maybe more than that.
You gotta have onions.
However much you like, that's right. I have 3/4 a cup of buttermilk, an egg, and how much sugar you want in there? I got about three tablespoons there. You want to put all that in?
Now here's the deal. People have varying ideas about Hush Puppies. I remember the Hush Puppies I had in the South. When my parents would go to church all around the country, during association meetings, we'd go to Alabama, we'd go to Mississippi, and you know what I remember? Sweet, sweet Hush Puppies. As a kid, I couldn't hardly stand it. It was so sweet.
I want all of it then.
So
3 tablespoons.
This is almost like dessert.
That's right.
If you don't want any sugar, don't put any sugar in. This is the way I had them as a kid in the deep South.
So we
and people say, oh, they don't put sugar in cornbread in the South. Well, these are Hush Puppies, and I like them with sugar. You can put as much as you want. If you want to put 42 pounds of sugar in here, you can.
That's a lot of
sugar. It
sugar.
may make it set up different, but I'm going to put maybe 2 tablespoons in because I like my Hush Puppies sweet. When it combines with that buttermilk and that bit of sweet and those onions, those sweet onions, it's something special. So the baked beans are going. The fish is going. 2 beautiful russets right here. What are you going to do with your Hush Puppy stuff?
Put them in the fridge for a while.
For about 20 minutes.
Right, and I've already made one, so we're going to pull the one out that's already been sitting. Let me get that for you.
All right, so here's what it looks like after it's chilled. So now real quick like, I'm going to dip my ice cream scoop in the oil. These are our magic Hush Puppies. And they don't have to be any particular shape. We just want them to be delicious.
I want to try one of these. Can I try? I'm ready to try a Hush Puppy. Those look how perfect those turned out with your little scoop.
Look at that. Look at that beautiful cornmeal in there.
Tastes like something you get at the fair.
We know where our cornmeal comes from. Know where your food comes from.
Oh, that's so good. I like the extra sugar.
Look at that.
The sugar in it makes it delicious. That's like a donut. Okay, it tastes like a donut.
Oh, and those sweet onions.